Earthquake safety tips. What to do before, during, after an earthquake. Earthquake. A weak to violent shaking of the ground produced by the sudden movement of rock materials below the Earth's surface. Mitigation. Mitigate. To minimize, reduce, or to lessen. We can never prevent an earthquake from occurring, but we could mitigate its resultant effect and save lives. Some projects whose objective is to mitigate the negative effects of an earthquake, making our office and our workers safe from earthquake, raising awareness and preparedness development of an innovative information materials about preparedness, various resources. What to do before an earthquake? The key to effective disaster prevention is planning. Determine if size is along an active fault and prone to liquefaction or landslide. Use proper structural design and engineering practice when constructing a focus or building. Evaluate structural soundness of building and important structure rules is written of retroit if necessary. What to do before an earthquake? Familiarize yourself with your place of work. Identify relatively strong parts of the building where you can take refuge during an earthquake. Door lamps, elevator shaft, study table. Learn to use fire extinguisher. Be ready with your first aid kit. Be ready with your office emergency alarm. Familiarize the emergency exit. This should be accessible, conveniently located, and properly marked. What to do before an earthquake? Prepare your place of work and residence for the event. Strap heavy furniture to wall to prevent sliding or toppling. Store breakable items, harmful, chemical, and flammable materials in lowermost shelf and secure firmly. Turn off gas tank when not in use. Keep heavy materials in lower shelf. Check stability of hanging object. Maintain an earthquake survival kit. What to do during an earthquake? Open the door. Turn off anything that might cause fire. Duck, cover, and hold. Protect your head and body under a study table or desk. Watch out for falling objects. Look for safe havens. Move away from dangerous spots. What to do during an earthquake? If outside, move to an open area. Get away from power lines, poles, walls, and other structure that may fall or collapse. Stay away from buildings with glass panes. What to do during an earthquake? When driving a vehicle, pull to the side of the road and stop. Do not attempt to cross, bridge, or overpass which may have been damaged. What to do during an earthquake? If along the shore and you feel an earthquake strong enough to make standing difficult, run away from the shore toward higher ground. If unusual sea conditions like extreme lowering of sea level are observed, it is best to regard this as warning for an approaching tsunami and immediately move toward high ground. What to do during an earthquake? If on a mountain or near a steep hill slope, move away from steep escarpment, which may be affected by landslide. What to do after an earthquake? If outside an old weak structure, take the fastest and safest way out. Get up calmly in an orderly manner. Do not rush to the exit. Use the stair, do not use elevator. Check yourself and others for injuries. What to do after an earthquake? Check surrounding. Clean up chemical spill, toxic flammable material to avoid any chain of unwanted event. Check for fire and if any have it control. Check water and electrical line to defect. If any damage is suspected, turn the system off in the main bulb or switch. What to do after an earthquake? Help reduce the number of casualties. Do not enter partially damaged building. Strong aftershock may cause this to collapse. Gather information and disaster prevention. Instruction from battery-operated radio. Obey public safety precaution. What to do after an earthquake? Unless you need emergency help, do not use your telephone to call relatives and friends. Disaster management authorities may need the line for emergency communication. Do not use your car and drive around areas of damage. Rescue and relief workers need the road for mobility. What to do after an earthquake? If you evacuate your residence, leave a message standing where you are going. Take with you your earthquake survival kit, which should contain all necessary items for your protection and comfort. Thank you.